To add the payment method in Coinbase, follow these steps. Log into Coinbase. Visit the Coinbase website or open the Coinbase app and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Payment Methods. On the desktop, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. On mobile, tap on the menu in the top left, then go to Settings. Add Payment Method. In the Settings menu, select the Payment Methods tab. Click on Add a Payment Method. Choose a payment method. Coinbase offers several payment methods, including bank account, debit or credit card, or PayPal. Select your preferred payment option and follow the on-screen instructions to link it. Enter required information. For a bank account, you will need to provide your bank details. For credit or debit cards, input your card details. Verification. Depending on the method, Coinbase may require verification. Save the payment method. After completing the necessary steps, save your payment method for future use.